amigues, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel, y'all. Today I am back with another video. We have got these flower clusters, which is like a brick set, 845 pieces, flower cluster, flower. I got this for my birthday last year, so I've had this absolutely ages, because it's January now, and I'm like, right, okay, I've got all these sets to put together. Let's get them together. Let's get them out and get them on display. So the next one is this one. If I'm not mistaken, this was from my mate Dave. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so we have lots of little plastic bags with all the pieces. Very colourful, very bright, because they're flowers. Let's take a look at the instructions. Nice instructions with them. Bag number 1. I do think that this is going to be like proper Lego, as in bag number 1. Bag number 2, bag number 3. So each bag does one of the flowers in it, which is really nice. Right, okay, I think it is time to get cracking. Well, there we go, completed. And I have to say, they really do look as good as they do on the box. The colours really pop on them. They're very, very pretty, and yeah, really, really nice. The instructions were really good to put them together. I did have a couple of troubles with one of them, trying to work out where that, yeah, this one here, this one. This was a pain trying to work out the little plastic pieces that had to go into it. I think I took this apart and put it together like 3 times before I actually got it correct. But yeah, that was a little bit hard trying to work out. It was these little plastic pieces. I couldn't tell whether they were the long ones or the short ones, but I kind of worked it out that that would be the short one and that would be the long one maybe. But anyway, done it. Really nice and clear, concise. Put together, very simple, very, very easy to do, and very, very effective. And that's the picture on the box, and that's basically what they look like in real life, so it's really nice. I just stuck them in this jar for a minute because I have some Lego flowers. Let me go and get them. So this is the other Lego set that I have. This is a genuine Lego flowers set. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine both of them. I'm going to get a vase because that's just something I made up. But I'm going to combine both of them and have them all in there because they're really, really pretty. So I am going to sort that out now. Okay, so there we go. I've got all the flowers arranged in the vase. I think that looks very pretty. There's a cat interested in what's going on. Do you like the flowers, Ripley? Newt? Do you? But yeah, really, really pretty. I'm glad that I've got them. I'm going to put them on display as long as the cats don't eat them. But they should be all right. They should just leave them alone. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. And a great big thank you to Dave as well for getting this for me for my birthday. Really love the set. I'd like to say a great big thank you. Really, really nice. And there we go. I'll see you guys in the next episode. And on behalf of Newt, little Newt, and myself, I'll see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.